A special honor and responsibility for me to be here today and to participate at a meeting that brings together the high state officials to discuss the pressing topic of today, the challenges of climate change and the future of our planet. But in the meantime, as I was saying last time in Dubai, we have several prerequisites to start tackling the issue of fighting climate changes. Number one is we need to restore peace in the world. Nobody likes today the word peace because everybody wants to win against the other. Everybody wants to see the defeat of the other side. On the other hand, we need to invest much more in the peace. Otherwise, we'll have to put more money for armament, ordnance, weaponry, as we did and as we do today, instead of investing hugely into all necessary instruments in fighting climate changes. Yes, we need to tackle floods, droughts, wildfires, air and water pollution and everything else. But before that, we need to establish peace. And that's why I'm urging all big powers to settle the problems, to settle the issues in Ukraine, the Middle East, all over the world. Then we'll be able to start resolving all these issues. Number two, as you know, it's always the case, big and rich, they cause problems, and the poor countries and small countries are paying the price. And that's why I believe that it's very important for us to find new financial instruments. How we're gonna be helpful to non-developed and developing countries, where we can find money to invest into new technologies. Are we able to foster IMF and World Bank to be much more helpful than they used to be? How are we going to tackle the issue of public debt to GDP ratio, because we are getting closer to 100% worldwide speaking, and that will mean a lot regarding climate change fightings. And once again, I'm urging those big and rich to be helpful for poorer countries. At the end, our legacy, first and foremost to the youth, is to create a fair and sustainable society and to shape a livable, thriving world for all. Our legacy must be one of decisive action, rooted in hope. Let us leave this conference not only with renewed commitments, but with actionable plans that will shape our collective future. When I say this, once again going back to prerequisites, pre-terms for fighting climate changes, which is peace, 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 and more of financial instruments that will be available for poorer countries. I thank you very much.